What up guys, welcome to the forecast. This one is for the new week, so starting the 22nd of August, and this is Euro US dollar. So currently trending down. I do really like this price action. So we have a push, pullback, another push, small range, continue down, pullback, continue down, small pullback, one candle pullback, and now we are continuing. So for me personally, I'm waiting for this to break the low or to close below the low and give me a clean close and give me a nice push, something like this, and then I'm setting my order at the inside bar to go short. If it stays like this, I'm not doing anything. Then it's just breaking and retracing, then it's just showing me a descending. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a break and retest with some nice conviction, nice clean close, and nice momentum. If we start to descend, then you know to look for a reversal to the upside like this. Or maybe we get a larger push, then I would look for a flag to go short. We can also get a V reversal, then I would look for a range and a push up. I think those are all of the possibilities. But the main one that's in my eye is for this downtrend to continue, and I'm looking for that nice clean close or that nice push to a downside. So that's about it. This pair looks good. Euro and Japanese yen. This one doesn't look that bad, but then again doesn't look that good either. So we were stuck in this range and now we kind of pushed down, got a pullback, really large pullback I would say, and then we continued. Also got a huge wick here, so that's also a warning sign. Currently what I'm looking for, well, I'm looking for this to continue down, then maybe for it to give me a nice trade like this, so a nice combo, or for it to ascend to the entry area. What I'm looking for a clean close here. I'm looking for more of a push, a bit more momentum, and then maybe a nice flag. That would be the best. Or a push, pullback, another push, break and retest, something like that. Again, we can also start to descend, then I would look for a reversal to the upside. And we can also have a reversal, then I would look for a range and a push up. But those two possibilities really take longer time to form. So on the shorter time frame, my main focus is to look for the momentum to continue down. So this is not looking that good, but then again, if momentum continues down, for me personally, we will be trending to a downside like this. And then that's a high probability setup to enter on a nice short trade. Aussie US dollar doesn't look good. Looks range bound, looks stuck in a range. Huge wick to the upside, broke the low, large wick to a downside. What I'm expecting is I'm expecting this. I'm expecting a larger range. What I'm looking for a large push down, a flag or a large push up, a flag or a trend to start, so like this, or a nice break and retest. Or we can also form a V reversal from here. That is a possibility. Look for a range, push up, and then a trade to go long. So nothing really special to say about this one. There was no reversal opportunity, nothing for me. And yeah, looks a bit range bound. So I would say look for large momentum up or large momentum down. AJ, Aussie Japanese yen. So we had a really nice push up, but then we had an aggressive V reversal retrace. It was a combo trade because we did have a first part of pullback, first low, first high, second low, first high, then this would be the first low, second high, second low. But if you look at it, it just looks like a V reversal, so I didn't enter. Of course, I'm expecting a range here. Since after a V, we usually get a range. What I'm looking for on this pair, so because of that pullback, this looks pretty crappy. But what I'm looking for maybe this momentum to then after all continue up. Then I would look for a flag or a nice break and retest. Or if it pushes down, then I'm looking for a nice flag down or a nice break and retest. I'm looking for a trend to start to downside. So currently this pair is not really on my radar. I'm not seeing anything special. I'm waiting for the break of the low, break of the high, and then waiting for momentum and cleaner price action. The pound is trending down, but we do have kind of a slowdown. So we do have this range. Then we did continue down, but then we got this sort of an aggressive retrace. So currently what I will be looking for at this point is, I am not looking for an entry like this, because we are kind of coming out of a range and I don't want to take a V reversal to the entry. What I'm looking for is another push down with a clean close and then a break and retest. As I said, the only thing I'm looking for on the pound is large momentum up or large momentum down. So let's see if we will get that nice push, break and retest. If we start to descend, then you know not to take any trades, but I'm not looking for a reversal trade because it's the pound. I'm looking for that large push up, break and retest or something like that, or that large push down and then a nice flag. So yeah, let's see if this momentum right here will continue down. Let's see. If it doesn't, look for a V reversal, then look for a range, then look for a nice large impulse up. So yeah, something like this. That's it for the pound. It is trending down. I do really like this price action. There was an opportunity to enter on a trade right here, which I unfortunately missed out on, but I would have been taken out by spreads right here when I would have moved my stops. So yeah, but should have paid more attention to taking that trade. To anyone who is now in that trade, they're running really nice percentage. So some really nice percentage. Yeah, about 12% or 11%. So congratulations to anyone who took it and is still in. And yeah, final pair, NJ, New Zealand Japanese yen, looks very range bound, stuck in a flat range. So really big warning sign is that. And what I am currently looking for, well, I was looking for this push up to continue up, give me a nice break and retest, or maybe continue, give me a nice flag. But unfortunately we got a range. So after a V we usually get a range like this. So what I'm looking for is a push up, then nice flag or a nice break and retest. I'm looking for this to continue up. Again, we are in the overall picture stuck in a larger range, definitely stuck in a larger range. So I'm looking for that push up, but we can also get that large push down. I will then also be interested like this. Then again, this pair is not really on my radar. I'm first waiting for a break of the high or the break of the low, which is here, and then I will see what will happen. There are of course liquidity zones below and above the range. Be really careful in these areas, because price can easily just break and retrace and break and retrace. So what you need to see is, you need to see a nice push, nice conviction, many candles, or not many candles, but candles actually continuing to the upside, and not just one candle break and then a retrace. So that's about it for the forecast this week. Again, expecting moves. Market conditions have changed, but we also need to follow our plan and not get into fear of missing out, because then we'll just take many unnecessary losses. So still following the plan, but being alert of the trends. That is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.